beloved. That's how it starts, right?
Come on now, you should know this goal.
Yeah, okay.
It wasn't that long ago you were standing up there in front of your friends and family saying these vows.
All right, I got it.
Quickly we forget.
Hey, I got it. All right. We are gathered here on one hell of a night, one heck of a night to join Babe and JR in holy matrimony. Well, it'd be a little holier if the actual minister was here instead of me. Be that as it may, Babe, do you take JR to be your lawfully wedded husband?
Can you move?
Why would I want to? Ow!
You're one lame faker.
Ow, that hurt, you know?
You'll live. But we might not have if we hadn't been in this house.
Yeah, I hope my mom's okay. And everyone else. Why'd you come back for me?
What was I supposed to do? Leave you here to die?
A couple months ago, you might have.
Yeah, well, a couple months ago I didn't know you that well.
And now?
I guess you're growing on me.
All right.
Like a plague. I swear, sometimes you're worse than my dad.
I'll take that as a compliment.
You would.
With his door.
So it was a tornado.
Yeah, you left out one important word from that sentence.
The lock, it's open?
Yeah. So, we don't have to wait for a rescue to come along. You can just walk right out of here and rejoin whatever's left of society. After you, madam.
Okay. Well, it's so nice to know you haven't lost all your manners, Adam.
Yeah.
Hey, come to Mommy real quick. Listen, I know that you're scared, but you don't have to be, okay? Okay. Do you remember this? Yeah. This is our magic seashell. And if you hold on to it, it'll protect you. Hold on to it real tight. Can I have a hug? Yeah.
Power's out on the whole street. Transformer must have blown.
Yeah? And what's that?
That's a car that has no business being out here tonight.
Jesse, thank God. I need your help. You have to send an ambulance and a fire truck to County Line Road, and you have to send all your cops to airports.
Annie, number one, I told you to take your ass home. Two, calm down. What happened?
Emma was kidnapped from the movie theaters. 1 second she was there, and the next second she was gone. You have to help me find her.
What does that have to do with County Line Road? There's no movie theater on that
I was
street.
driving around looking for Emma, and I found her car flipped on its side, and it was Zach. He's hurt. You have to send somebody to go help
Wait
him.
a minute, Slater's trapped in his car.
Yes, and a power line fell, and I tried to help.
All right, calm down. I will put an APB out for Emma, and I'll send help for Zach as soon as I can. Right now, we need to get inside. You shouldn't be out here in this weather.
That's strange. The wind just stopped.
Looks like it might have passed us by.
Why the sirens are still on?
Everyone's okay. Where's your mom? Spike. Where is your mom?